I'm going to fill out the ticket later. Because that don't look good, as you can see in front of me. Yep, there's nothing I want to do with driving a full-blown dirt cloud. But it is what it is, and there's things that could be hiding in that I don't want to run into, so. Venango's just up the road here, so we're gonna get up there, and it looks like the storm's moving about 35-40 mile an hour, so I should be able to pull ahead of it. Yeah, it's looking nasty. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, just went dark on us. We gotta get out of here. Yeah, that's not good. I don't think I quite made it. Once I get into town here, I can find a spot to be. Holy moly, that was kind of spooky. Yep. Can't see the road. Oh goodness. Yep, we're gonna find a wide spot and just slowly sit this one out. Maybe I can see blue ahead of us. If I can just get ahead of it, I'll be doing a lot better. I'm 7 miles away. It's getting worse. Yep, I'm gonna have to find a spot to sit it out. Turn the headlights on. Just get ahead of it, but now I'm just looking for a road to find the crossover on. And okay, there we go. There's my opening. There we go. I just need to get ahead of this. Goodness gracious. Well, that was a little spooky. Got the overheads on and everything because, well, it went south in a hurry. That was a strong storm. Very strong. But I'm going to just go ahead and leave this on. Then we're just going to try to motor ahead of this. But it came up on us quick, very quick. That was a little spooky, not gonna lie to you. Tumbleweeds. that got ahead of us real quick. I think Brandon should be roughly right up the road here. Definitely gonna need an air filter after this one. Oh, National Weather Service just issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Huh. They're a little late on that, aren't they? Moving at roughly 65 mile an hour and I haven't yet got ahead of it. So yeah, it's kind of went south on us. A lot of dirt in the air. Yeah, stuff stuck to the antennas. Probably stuck to the radiator. Stuck to the top of the van or truck. Tell me how the weather is in Brandon. I'm coming up out of an angle and I'm in a severe dust storm. Well,